Kesenler Cosmetics Inc., 35 years of experience in the sector as of 2005, by carrying the production activities Totex brand, has managed to print its name in the world cosmetics industry. We assume the role of strategic service partner as a product supplier with our expert management team and knowledge, and we are proud of being a preferred brand abroad. With the help of years of experience in correct market research, product planning, packaging quality control and innovation, we prove to the world that cosmetic products can be comfort by establishing a professional balance. Our products, which are produced in world cosmetics sector quality standards, are produced from raw materials registered in European standards and are offered to the market after being subjected to the necessary tests by expert teams at every stage of production. With our constantly developing technological infrastructure, our expert R&D team, we continue our way without slowing down by producing innovative solutions for our products. The production activities started on 1,500 square meter area and established on high technology production equipments in 10,000 square meter closed area, and continues with high quality understanding under hygienic facility conditions. Until today, our organization, with the belief that a value for product development and international consumers need the same discipline and conviction to work, continue to grow, and we continue strengthening our ambitious ascent in Turkey and world markets. Thanks to the national and international certificates we have received, we continue to prove our production quality and precision in the sector to the world. The perfection of our production facilities and operations has been registered with GMP inspections, which have international validity every year. We take care to represent our brand in the best way through the right distribution channels in accordance with our global and local strategies. With our strong marketing and export structure, our company achieves high sales dynamics, and we increase our market share every day by increasing our market share to the next level. In this way, Totex is one of the leading companies in the field of cosmetics and makes its brand value even more valuable in the world market. Today, with the motivation of providing customer satisfaction in Europe, America, Middle East and Asia continents, we increase our sensitivity to the needs of the sector. Totex professional channels constantly updated to meet the needs of consumers. quality, modern and stylish design from Turkey, and will continue to proudly extend to the success of the adventure world.